A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss of another video. Put a like, leave a comment. We could get straight into this. Alright. So the lady I say she meet a man on a social media platform and one thing lead to another and then become good friends. Alright, but what happened now is like she going on some business with him and this is what she said, but she said she want me hide her advice because she don't want her family and her sister them where they are Jamaica here. Lord God, me I tell her. I feel if you are say, but guys, let me tell me what you think about the story and make we get down to it after we listen. We could drive and listen.
It's MIXUP, boss. I met this man on Tag in December 2021. We started to talk on the phone. Then in January, we met in Ocherias. We started to talk about things. He said I am single. I said I am divorced. And I said my marriage was a rough one, so I don't really want to go back down that road. I said, all I'm asking you for is not to hurt me. He said, I will never do that because I'm a Christian. And then he told me the church that he attended in Montego Bay, a well up-to-date New Testament church. Okay, fine. We had dinner at a jar place in Ocherias. I was selling some food items that I took down from America. So he said to me, give me $10,000 worth of food stuff. So, I did sell him the $10,000 worth of food stuff. He said to me, like how you're not working, let us start a rent-a-car business. I said, yes, that would be good. I gave him $700,000 towards a car. Every time I asked him about the car, he said, I am going to spray it and I can't get the papers for it because the man and his wife separated and the wife took the papers and she's in America. Anyway, my neighbor gave me 2 compressors plus other tools he took from me for my neighbor. And the tools, he took the tools and compressor from my neighbor. All the tools now, no money. I introduced this man to all my family. And his sister, he said his sisters, they are living in Westmoreland, which I never met. But I met his daughters and grandkids. I have a TV, which is a 75-inch TV. He took my TV from my house while I was in the US, and I can't get back my TV. He asked me to get a loan at Jane Bank for him. I did. He paid a small portion of the loan, and stop. I had was to pay back every cent. Every cent. He borrowed money from me to buy something. I don't really want to say what, but he borrowed some money from me to borrow something. I gave it to him. All know I can't get my money. One day, his friend called me, and his friend said to me, you know that he's a married man? I said, no, because he said that he is divorced. He was married and he's divorced, so he's single. I thought the friend was telling me these things because he wanted me was to give him a loan of $200,000 from me. I would go to his house on weekends and he would take me home on Mondays or Tuesdays. He would visit me during the week and we would call me when he's on his way, when he's on his way from Montego Bay. That's where he lives. He was so nice to my kids and my kids call him Dad. Anyway, I was in the US last year. A lady called me and said, I'm just gonna use Joe. I said, I am Joe's. She said, I am Joe's girlfriend. I said, what? And she said to me, yes, I am his girlfriend. But anyway, he was in America for 2 weeks. He spent a week with his daughter and 1 week with me. So she told me that he's married, and I said, he is the one who, and I said, what? So she said, she is the one who is she said she is the one who gave him the money to file for his divorce because he is no longer with his wife. I said I gave him money to buy a car and the TV in the house is mine. Right? And I said even the mattress is mine because I am the one who gave him the money to buy that mattress. Right? The lady said to me, she said they are planning to get married because she's engaged and they're planning to get married. So I said, what the hell is happening? Because he told me that whenever he's back in America, he's going to engage to me. Right? So anyway, the lady hung up. And the lady hung up and hung up. So I called his phone and I said, why you make this lady call my phone? Because she said she's giving her the money to divorce so she can get to married to you and all the wedding plan is in place. She told me he was upset because she called me. She asked me, so you guys have, she said, you guys have sex? I said, yes, a million times and 1,010 times. When I asked him about his wife, he said, what effing wife you talking about? Right? And I was watching the service one Sunday from church, and when I saw the pastor was praying and called up Mr. and Mrs. Joe, and that's when I really believe that this man is a married man. You understand? The pastor prayed for him, and because I think they went and renewing their vows, whatever. You understand me? And you know, it is just a terrible thing to know that, boy. This man is such a nice looking man and he's a big scammer, thief, and lie. Because I am not the only lady, you know. There's a lot of lady out there more this is his trade. This is his trade because at the garage, just all the men in that garage, just all they do is sit there and call the ladies and line and scam them. Right now, if you go to Western Union, you would see the amount. You would see the amount of Western Union paper or people sending money to this man for Western Union. Him is wicked. And when I say wicked, him wicked. He would come at my house and was at church morning and he might leave out of my bed by 5:30 if he go at church because he have to go sing on the choir. You understand? Or sometimes when me down in the house, him call me fit me in the house, him gone at church left me in the bed till him come back. And me wash for him, him keep him clothes and come give me wash, me cook, me do everything for the man here. You understand? But me say, I know everything on see glitter and gold out there. He carry me, when this a man, when me know him, when he carry me go all about, he carry me go Portland, he carry me go Boston, with upper Portland for the whole weekend at guest house. Spread out like a Nancy with people, man. Anybody could have did let me down and kill me. Cause this man, you know, own up to nothing when do you not own up to. You understand? Nothing at all right now. When we check up the amount of money we have for me, between me and my nephew, are over $1.5 million in our goods. You understand? And all me asking for me things, them would have never give me back dollar. You know, never said to me, say, all right then, see dollar here, see your TV here. Me say, now, me get man. Me get man from up where me live because a 2-hour drive. And me get man charter bus send down there if go collect me TV out of the house. And when the man then go down there, go hide. Yeah? He go hide. I know me can't get me TV. You understand? So me say things, me say your wife live a foreign. Your wife live a foreign, make your wife buy you one TV. You understand? But it is only fear for him give me back me things, them man. That's all me ask him for. Yeah? Because me can't work hard for my man. Me can't work hard for my man. I mean, I do this out of jealousy to his wife. Right now, his wife file for him And he fly out, he's supposed to fly out this weekend or sometime in the next week. If he come a foreign. Because when we go up on the church, when we go up on in church, when we go up on the fasting, what day, because I always listen to the church service and the fasting. So I never know saying that fasting. And when me realize now the wife, that when me look at him and the wife, we seen at church, and him and the wife, the pastor pray for the wife, and I say, they are coming, we might bless them because them are going to leave within few days to come into a different country, come live, and him a pray for them. Yeah? This a man, easy. Easy. I mean, no, so no me alone in do so. Oh, and me alone in do so. There's other people when do so. Oh. And if other women I mean, they realize I know who me attack, they need to come on board and contact because they need to stop it. Him is a big man. Man is so 60-year-old. And the thief in this thing God create, and a man to go be. You understand? Right now, my never not talk to me. Right now, my never don't talk to me. He never not talk to me, none at all. Because take of this man can say, true, the me and the man there, and the man taking things, and me we collect the money from the man female. Every day me ask him for me never money, big old money, big old compressor, and say, nothing, not all in up here. You know, I pay the man for things them. Yeah? So me no know. Me I tell us a man, in a pretty. Me I go, when me say me I got you a lot, me I got you a lot. Because it take up you how much money the man say them I go start business. And when you realize, him is just a scammer, I mean I realize that the man I do me say a scam, the man a scam me. You understand? For always tell me how he love me and how he this and how he, in a other woman come here always I call him and I ask him because sometimes me I call him phone, me not get him. And when me do, we need to answer me say, me did there so, and in the there so. Then no go so, and woman then come from foreign and that in yard. Oh, enough time, I'll go to after me money, take care of girl at church, I train at church, I have to offering. Oh, me not care. I'm in a business, me only want, if me could have get back me things them, and just me things them, and me never money, me want. I me receipt, me have receipt for sure, because me send out some of the money to bank, go give me, when me I send money, go give me, no. Me no want call the bank name. You understand? Me left me card, me Jane card, and go down and draft $100,000 for towards the vehicle, when he say I got the vehicle, and me send some more money to the bank, go give him. You understand? This man is cruelly wicked. You understand? And when him done, he have my daughter them back him, I can call him daddy and sitting and up and down. If me have graduation in my family, in daddy graduation with them. Anything at all me I do in my family, with my family them in the day. Up front. Take pictures, if there any color, because they always like have a color scheme, like when them go like graduation or we go a wedding or whatever. The whole family just dressing like a color there, different style, but that same color there. He gonna make suit up, he gonna make his suit in the same color. You understand? And in there with them, I hug up and dance and go with all manner of evil with them. They always attack saying love goat with me daughter them. You understand? In a easy. It's not a easy man. And him is wicked. You understand? Wicked. Oh. Me don't know what more to do. I don't know what else to do. Me call lawyer. Down at Jamaica. Me call police. Me call people to help me. And there is no help me can get because me say me could have get a lawyer. That's me could have can go court to get me things them. The liar, they tell me, say, the evidence when me send me want more. Me send the receipt, then me send the video with the car where my spray. Me send the voice note when me have with him and I talk about the car and my TV and me sit them where have. All of them me send. All of them there. What do you tell me, say, oh, he must $800,000. And if he not pay it, them are going to lock him up. Right? If he not pay, them are gonna lock him up because and he not have no record and he not want no record because you know so the wife a pay for him and it look like he have some people money for somebody and the people they want their money. So that's why I must say so. You understand me? The next woman will call me phone. She said she give money for do visa before the wife file for him. And she give him the money to get the visa for come America. When he come America, she pack the bag. She said she going and pack everything send up with him for come America. You understand? But he is just lie and wicked and grown and use woman. That's all he do. I use woman and in a one Jamaican woman, you know. You know, when a Jamaican woman, I pay a foreign woman in pre. Because when you live a foreign, you know, you have money, so you can go Jamaican, whatever. So, mix up, boss. Me I put out this to make the woman then know, so man, they must be, we as woman, we know, if we know what we are doing and know where we are take up. Because this a man, although you not catch anybody, you would not catch anybody when me I tell us you not catch anybody. Because all the man come clean. The man come clean to ratted like you just buy one nice clean white sheet. Clean and pretty. Like him is all that. This a man no carry me go no full place when him a carry me out. Me a go a top restaurant, all of the top restaurant, them a man take up here, that's so me and him go eat. Yeah? That's how we go eat at all times and whatever. Yeah? But boy, me I tell you man, I never know so somebody can wicked so. Wicked and lie. And up to day before up to what me text him and I ask him for me things, you know. He said to me, say, me always a come with ears, say. Me always a come with ears, say, because me tell him, say, somebody tell me, say, he might fly out. Right? He tell me, say, me always a come with ears, say, and me a come disturb him peace. So me say, when you not take me money, if you go buy a car and sitting, I never, you mean I disturb you? Me need I disturb you? Eh? Come on, man. Wicked man, wicked and me I tell you, me and I never used to be so close. Me and me never so close. So close. And all of a sudden, me never not chat to me, say maybe right now, me never see me and kill me. See how much big old compressor them we send go to Jamaica. And this man take them and won't pay me for them.
Guys, if you reach this far, like a video and comment. She sent me some other voice note and I go play them. I go listen, because she never seen everything. I hear she say.
I mix up, boss. I know me left out part because the man married 2021. And me meet him December. He married October. 23rd of October 2021. And me meet him December, in a December. And me go Jamaica for in November. And me meet him in December 2021. Right, so just few months, just 2 months the man did married for when me meet him. He said, me never remember you so because he said, he said to me, say, anything me and you have, make we work it out because I nobody tell nobody my business where me do, you know. Nobody tell nobody where me do. Cause you know, say me's a scammer and you know, so me might go tell people say me's a scammer and me's a thief and he lie. He might tell me say me not fi tell nobody. Me I put this out because my daughter then that Jamaica. If anything fi happen to one of them, me know say him because to me I put him out fi make everybody know what he do. You know, and you know, but my daughter then say anything happen to one of my daughter down there. Me know say him. Oh. Let me tell you, mix up, boss. The reason why I say that if anything happened to my daughter, then I know say him. Because to them, him friend call me and tell me say he married. Him a tell me how him friend them did want go kill the man. Him friend them did want go kill the man. So I say, where you kill the man for? Should the man tell the truth? Should the man tell the truth? You send your friend them go kill the man? What mix up, boss? Me never even did remember say the woman when did engage to call me. She asked me, say, what kind of car him buy? And me tell her. Me say, want Tida. She say, yes. She say, have one car, I want Tida because she said she see me with the car and he give it to his daughter and daughter have the car I drive. Because him take the money and buy the car and give it to his daughter so his daughter have the car I drive.
Anyway, guys, Let me know what you think about the video there. You don't know. You know, we're used to them, man. Boy, everybody. People so deceitful and people. Boy, I don't know what is what, yeah. I don't know. It is. I don't know what to say. I hope everything work out in our favor. I doubt it, but shall just keep it faith. But anyway, guys, yeah. Remember, yeah, as I said, I do my TikTok live. So for some reason, this lady, I was playing the video with the Cayman guy we get used. So I have a memory lane live over TikTok where I play back some video with some more touching story of some Jamaican woman, wicked and Jamaican man. And the lady come up in her box and I tell you, she give it to you, man, they will love use man. Because she's a good woman out there, one man. And trust me, what she say, I have to just make she talk, because she talk a lot of facts, I know enough women are going to disagree. And also, I have the part when I go put in our next video with woman I call and I talk about the man them. But I could listen the part of the live and subscribe to my TikTok. Alright, said MIXUP boss. I could listen.
She go meet Panoramica. Because how can a man work so hard for you and him, and you do a man like this? This is not right. And the man, majority man, do not listen to their parents. Some of we women do not listen to our parents. And I tell all the men them this: when you have your mother, listen to your mother. When your mother say no, run go jump in a this and run go jump in a that. You understand me? A woman who love a man will stand with a man and care for a man. I tell you, me sit down here so, and me a listen, and me a listen, and me a listen, and me a listen. Me say all me heart a cry. Because I feel it to the core of my soul for the man. A majority woman, they take in protection and they don't want no more baby for no man, because they must say man reaching a certain age, them not this, them not that, and them not and them not take. And some women are just looking opportunity to get out from some man. And some of the man, them, no matter what you do, them still nah learn. And me can tell a man, you say, if you're there in a Grand Cayman Island, sir, focus on you, because you're never too old as you can't start again. Focus on you, work and save your money. Leave woman alone. If you go look for a woman, make sure a big woman we have something. Nobody if you come eat you down like chichi this time.
But Carol, you know, if we listen to his story, we learn two things from it. A woman never love him, man, I know.
No.
She does love the little, she does want him to build with. And as soon as in there came and I said, him say she was natural when he meet her. Till our pastor used to go yard and finally reach her came and start sending down money. She start with makeup and lace wig and all sort of something and start just different. You understand? So you know, so that attract all a little man. And it said man where she did with, and the man who used to come here to one of her family member. So she get all heap of time for the money. In send her back to school and she take the money in her to nursing school. She don't want nothing.
Look here. Let me tell all I man them when me click my life. Me say no send no woman go to school if them parents no send them. They want dunce bright or what. They want drop out or sitting. No send them. And if you get no picnic with no woman, you see, send the picnic go to school. No send the woman, because when they get the MA for masters and their BA for bachelor and then get the how much degree, them now remember you. Because not for we as women, we are ungrateful. We don't remember the kindness. We don't remember where we are come from. We don't remember where we are come from. Some of we are ungrateful and bitter as women. Bitter as women. Jesus. Let's say me feel it for the man. You know much how we good woman out there we want one little man like that. If you stand up by we side and we can't get them, and them a little old trabas here now. I get the good man them, and that's why we as the bigger woman them have to suffer. We can't get the good man them, because them take the good man them and take the good man them make papi show. A full time for the big man them look big woman, where we stand up with them through thick and thin. No say me advise any man, no say no woman go to school. Say if you couldn't read and write, you're not gonna read and write by me. It's how we are gonna live dunce for the rest of our life.
No, me dunks and me personally not say no woman go get an education when me want myself. I'm going to go back to school too, so why would I send somebody to school to better their self and not me? You know what I'm saying?
Me say, good woman nah get the good man them, you know. The good woman them nah get the good man. You see the good woman them get some little riff-raff man. And you see the good man them get some old trabas woman. And good man still out there, you know, but then just hard to find. Cause sometimes you don't know where we are look on. We are look on their face and their flaws and them style. Me can't, me not like how some of we women treat man. We treat him and them so bad. 37-year-old, no young little girl that the man. The man should not look there, sir. The man should have take up one 45-year-old or so woman.
Youth. We take a younger girl.
Youth, them are 30-year-old woman and are pregnant again. Pregnant which part? Which part them are pregnant? How money them want and say they're independent?
You have some of them in prayed, man, because they don't want the money. And
That are some of them. The first thing man go start do go and send woman go to school. No send woman go to school, make woman go work and send himself. You take him up on the year natural. And worst thing he man go say, she want everything in her house and she bleed out every dollar. Boy, me tell you say, I good grace of God make that man then no leak, cheap no leak.
no, in
Like good grace of
interview, he did a cry like baby, and I cut out when I edit it, and I say, I don't want to take people off of time. And when him, if you listen,
me not laugh after him.
Listen how him talk, like anxiety. You know?
But me say no for we are saturated for all one of them the good man there. But we can save them little money and if you rainy day or anything. You know much of we woman there in Jamaica want one little man like that where we can save the money and bill and turn it. Me no want no man send me go to school because my parents say no send me. So me no want a man send me when me go for you, we know if you go get this and get that at that time, them a go look for me and tell me how me look nice and them never know me when me done some favor rat back. So no one man send me no send no self to school, yeah, bro. No send no woman. Me they go work and send themselves.
Oh man. Boy, I love how woman come
I take up on no money, not take up on no money and pack up on the whole of them because nothing we woman. Don't have nothing to give no man but we source of flesh. Just we source of flesh. Enough man take care of we. As soon as they left we because to we treat them bad, we say they never giving up. Some of we woman are all dressy bale. Some of we women are all trabas. Some of we women are come from some old dirty background, dirty generation, curse, and take we. Some of we women, we don't want a man, we just don't want what the man have. And run where the man and say, lucky after me, then I look him and him did I look me. If he stop it, man, kind of we a boy pick me. She a go meet pan her match, you know. She a go meet it to the core of her soul. Me not lie. She a go meet it. Yeah, water for the man. You think in a grand Cayman. Me come a Cayman, you know. And me a walk and me go wipe one window. On construction site. And let me tell you something. All me underwear wet. I remember say you now a $6 hour them pay you so. $6. And some pay less than $6 hour. So you if you work for little and nothing. And take out your money for you. Some man them fi buy one bottle of Vaseline and do them business and allow some girl alone. Some woman fi go me a woman but me a talk the truth. If the woman them even vex with me tonight, I do just the truth. Some of we woman treat man too bad. And some of my man them then just fright if it's all look shape, look good woman and treat them nice and the right look woman where have him bottom round the front and belly round the back. They don't want them, they want them, we are them, they want shape bad one them. We look like home sweet home lamb shade, we care, we want to take good care of them. We don't want some of we don't want Coca-Cola shape.
Bali.
And a them a mash you up. A them enough. Me can tell you whole world this. 1/3 of man where you see no come to nothing in a life. A woman make them no come to nothing. A woman yam them down like chichi. Wow. 1/3 of man where you see in our world right now when no come to nothing, where they live with woman and no come to nothing. A woman yam them down. A woman char them down. Me attack trabas woman. Me not attack real woman bill you. Real woman bill you no matter what. If you want go on, you go on, him bill you and make you becomes a man. And later days, if him do foolishness, he might go meet him make and he might go feel it to his core in soul. You understand? But you as a woman, they live with you for days, months, and years, and weeks, and they don't want you. And you can't tell them say they don't want you. To how they operate with you. Special to when they're silent. Me I tell you, bro, I'm a woman, but I can tell you. You see, anytime you have a woman and you see she a cuss for everything, she love you. You see, anytime she's silent and I do everything that pleasable, she just walk on where you have. You see, anytime she get where you have a gun, she gone. Go look for who she love. So you can't stay there.
Real talk, Karen. Real talk.
Me nah lie, me say me feel it when me a listen, you know, me there listen. Me say me feel it, because it could be my son. It could have been my son. It could have been anyone of his son. A wicked woman. She's a Jezebel from the pit of hell. A good, them is some a real man them will listen this a story, and the man them will not have so much of a common sense will listen this a story. We no better get wise up your ear and see about no money for rainy day. Look here, a woman don't go it cheaper right now for a man go buy lily thing more than live with some of we woman. Cause some of we woman don't make no sense. Some of we women are foolish in a man's life. Some of we women no make no sense. Some of we not wash man clothes. We not cook man food. We not do nothing to him man but lie down and make him man exercise him right. And you are telling man how much $1,000 you want. Oh.
Wow.
Some of we not do nothing. And you know what true me at all.
Coming from a lady that's a lot, man, because normally woman come on, woman that come and say, that him forget, call Ray. The woman say that, you know, say, that him forget. So for you, come out and defend him and you talk facts. That's why I just keep quiet and make you talk.
Me have to talk for the man, sir. You know, me have to talk for the man. Me have a son and me have daughter. Me have 1 son and 3 girls. And enough of them are woman, you nowadays. Enough of them are woman, you nowadays don't want the man them. All they want is just the man things. And all enough of we have to give to man is just lay down on we back and the man them exercise them right. And when Friday come here and them are best friend, them I tell you how much money they want head fi comb, yaila she put on fingernail, toenail and and if a man take sick, you can't find a like a name of everything and do as it with everything. You take all your whole family fi poor man money. Man who no learn sense, learn common sense is the biggest sense in the world. And stop make some look all concubines, all dinosaurs that take on make fool and then them have no money and then when you work so hard for and go back to Jamaica on turn papa. And then you hear them talk about, oh, if a boy moving foot, me now go drop. You don't have nothing to forgive me. You are worthless. No fine man them in a Jamaica right now. A woman make them turn croft. Woman make them turn croft. Because woman not a 1 and 2 real woman now you will find when we stand up with them man through thick and thin. Them a woman ya, them a no leader, them a follower. Oh, no make the boy tell you what to do. No wash, no sit down and come out and come up on the boy dirty clothes. No cook no food, give the boy on Friday because Friday the boy forgot KFC. You know, look and say, and every day of your life you go young. And when you get old and no man no want you them the time they don't want people, young boy people, nobody look and for me one, you know. Can't for me one can't take up no whole tribe and sick on me mouth, kind of young boy. Kind of found a big old weird woman. I can't talk about, me don't want a old man, a young boy, me want for me one can't come here. In granny can show me. Me say, come out of me and allow me son. I saw them care down him and them, then yam down him and them, and then treat him and them like dog. And when they are them pick them cook a big fish and give them, then pick and give him and they look what left and treat him man like animal. And the poor man, them a suffer. And so my man, they now learn, say, boy, I'm my wife, and I'm my baby mother. Make them go look work. Then can go work. If I'm go sell bag juice. Make them work. Any woman nowadays do not take up man, and then now work. Don't take them. Me don't know if a woman them go burn me up, but I just the truth. Me don't care how they want burn me out. Any woman do not take up nowadays, man. Please. If I back juice them a sell, you can't do it too, because when you put on $1, she can put on $1. I mean, I believe in a 50-50 with no man and no woman. Because enough time, the woman them a work more money more than the man. And they want the man to pay all of the bills and do everything. Oh. So some of we woman fi go away. Some of we a woman are going to end up lonely. Some of we woman are gotta go take we a 5 years I hurt and we not have no man because of we dirty bad ways. Because of how we treat people, boy pick me. But if you treat the people them, boy pick me good man, treat them nice, care for them, love them. When you not ready, you not talk about foreign woman, come take one woman. How you not treat him and them good? You don't talk about man them worthless, and who don't make them worthless? Because some man, you have one man right now, bro. They cannot read, they cannot write, but they can do any hard work. So then tell you, say, up in one little savings account, and you up in a little savings account, and you put the money in there, and you creep up the whole of man money. And then you run out, man. Me say, let me tell you something, man. Me say, you see, God have a special beating for some of we as wicked woman. God have a beating for we all are we wicked woman. We are near more man. I take man thing in the table after I me beg him. And I mean, some man to walk and take up woman with a 3, 4, 5 picnic. And then father and man, them no take up you man with them old market bag, them crocus bag, and they all crate. Take them up, make them go look for them daddy. And not take up no picnic on ideas and sit down with no man where you want to walk mine, the whole of them. And then that is scotch free. And they got their hand miggle. Me say, you know, at me, me say, at me. At you know, if you could have seen me at me Bex to a girl treaty man.
Wow.
Me say at me, all me I listen social media. I first it me ever see at me so. For you know a woman at the age of 37-year-old can treat a man like that. A man who come in a Grand Cayman for let me tell you something, bro. His son in a Grand Cayman Island, hot on Jamaica. 10 times hot on Jamaica. And when you see man, them do construction work, out in a middle hot sun hot. No tree, no definition shelter. Man, I work in a Grand Cayman Island, and when he up in here, a hospital bed in. A man, I go to their money, I want no value man money. Hey, so man, I go feel it, no core, no soul, you know. I say, bro, what you know at me. Me say, if I feel me son, me say, I'll heaven that touch earth and the earth touch heaven. No girl nan do land so. You mad? You go where you go, yeah, man. Hello, me one boy picnic. I don't know, you know, robot and don't know, you know, want people good picnic. If you can walk and come and run up a whole market back them, and up a crocus back them, and sitting, I don't want to stress out, man. And I can't talk about, oh, you know, say me did drop out of school early, me send me back to school. You not go to school, so if you don't, say I done, still God come. Come now, send you, if me a man.
All right, Carol.
And I want the men them to look at the real women them. Now look on the old cranker behind them.
All right, Carol. You got yourself and thanks. I'm going to give you a follow. I love how you talk.
Well, I mean, it's a girl power, you know. You understand? I mean, I want me have boy.
I believe in a girl power and a man power. Because I like to be more woman to be truthful and talk the truth.
Yeah,
That's
woman to be truthful, but you can't knock down a woman.
I don't want a woman to do foolishness and a woman come and pick up fear and I say, oh, you have to defend
in relationship, in relationship.
No, but all are not based on this story, my friend. Call a spade a spade. I will need to stop the bias. I don't like when people
you
bias.
can't hear one side and a bash the other side.
No, but right away you want hear the girl side to say,
But
oh, that's right. So,
don't judge and make God deal with it.
No, based on what the guys say, you approve, you're against everything when say. If it went true,
I'm not against it, no.
No, what I'm saying, if the ones are true, Zin, where you have to say as a woman, where you would say about the woman or she treat the man? As a woman, may I ask you tonight?
Oh, she treat the man? It depends. As I say, it depends. Me don't know if her side why she do it.
But you still not get what I'm saying. Listen to me again. I'm going to repeat again. I'm saying if everything, just say everything where man say are true, it
Yeah.
happen. What you, how you that describe the woman there? That's just a simple question I ask her. With everything.
Describe her. One of this. She just didn't want him from day one, but him never say.
Oh, so I say you look funny. She not doing nothing or nothing like that.
She hurt him, but you never want him, and you have to know when somebody wants you or not. Although we woman, we are good pretender because we can cheat for years and live with a man and a man don't find out.
Yeah, the woman are wicked still. The woman there, she's a wicked woman. So you
No,
don't want people.
woman, she not wicked, woman smart.
All right, make you stay there, because a woman do something wicked and you say she's smart. So we
A
can't hold
smart,
the
smart.
conversation over there. We can't go on that because you're not
All
going
right, then that's your word. Now listen.
All right, big up.
Yeah, bless. Bless.
Yeah.